Welcome to the topic on defining actions, reducers, and selectors. In NgRx, actions, reducers, and selectors are fundamental building blocks for managing application state. Let's explore how to define actions to describe state changes, create reducers to handle those actions and update the state, and use selectors to efficiently access specific data from the state. 1. Actions. Describing state changes. Actions are simple, plain JavaScript objects that describe an event or an intention to modify the state. Each action has a type property that uniquely identifies it. When a component wants to update the state, it dispatches an action to the store. 2. Reducers handling actions and updating state. Reducers are pure functions that take the current state and an action as input and return a new state based on the action. The reducer evaluates the action's type and performs the corresponding state modification. 3. Selectors. Efficiently accessing state data. Selectors are functions that efficiently access specific data from the state. They help keep the component's state access logic separate from the store structure, improving code maintainability and performance. 4. Combining actions, reducers, and selectors. Once actions, reducers, and selectors are defined, we need to register them in the store to manage the application state effectively. Actions, reducers, and selectors are key elements of the NgRx pattern that allow us to effectively manage application state. Actions describe state changes. Reducers handle those actions and update the state. And selectors provide a performant way to access specific data from the state. In this topic, we covered the definition and implementation of actions, reducers, and selectors, and saw how they work together to build a robust state management solution.